Hello, this is Scholar Strive doing some math today in geometry. Let's review some perimeter, circumference, and area. So if you don't know what the perimeter means the distance around this outer edge here. So you would add all the sides together, and that's how you would get your perimeter. Just adding. If you have a square, like we do in this case, you just do 4 times the one side. That's an S. Area is, pretend if you made this like into a grid and you split this into little bit of pieces, but area is all the space inside our square here, and we find that out by multiplying length times width. In this case, it is S squared. So perimeter, 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. That's just adding all the sides. Or length times width for the area. Triangle. Perimeter, A plus B plus C. Just adding up all the sides. And then the area is 1/2 the base times height. Circle. This one you might have forgotten. The circumference is 2 pi r. Circumference is the same thing as perimeter, is the measuring that distance around the circle there. And then area is inside this circle, and that is pi r squared. Now this should be review for you. If not, we'll do some examples. Find the perimeter and area of the tennis court. So perimeter is 2 times the length or the width, depending on how you want to look at it, plus 2 times the width, and we'll get 156 plus 54 equals 210 feet. So that's my perimeter. Area is length times width, 27 times 78, and we'll get 2,106 feet squared. So units are important. With area, we're always dealing with square units, and then perimeter, we're just regular units. We call it square feet because if you remember in area, we split this into little boxes and then we count them all up. Alright, example 2. The smallest circle, the bullseye, on an Olympic archery target has a 12 centimeter diameter. Find the circumference and area of the bullseye. Keep your answers in terms of pi. So the diameter, remember, is 2 times the radius. It's double the radius. So diameter is 2 times the radius, or radius is 1/2 the diameter. So my radius in this case is half the diameter, so 6. Okay, now I can use my formula, 2 pi r. 2 times pi times 6. This would be 12 pi. And then punch it into your calculator. So on your calculator, there is a pi button. You will not use 3.14 anymore. 3.14 is not accurate enough. So make sure you use the pi button. So you would do 12 times pi in your calculator and you'll get an answer. Area is pi r squared. So pi times 6 squared. So that would be 36 pi. Triangle JKL has vertices 1, 6, 6, 6, and 3, 2. Find the perimeter. So 1, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So, and this is J, K, L. So we know what JK is. JK we can just count straight across. So JK is 5. But to find KL and JL, we have to use the distance formula. So KL equals square root so actually I'm going to call this LK. Because I'm going to call this my x1, y1, and this my x2, y2. So this is 6 minus 2 squared plus 6 minus 3 squared. And that'll give me the square root of 4 squared plus 3 squared. Sorry for writing so tiny. 16 plus 9, square root of 25 is 5. If we do JL, let's see if I can write down here. JL is equal to, nope. Can I want, come on. Great. There we go. JL. Whoa, this is different. So JL, can I use something? Oh well. Is equal to the square roots of 1 minus 3 squared plus 6 minus 2 squared which is, oh, I did that wrong. Oops. So I'm doing J and L. So 2 minus 6 squared plus y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, 3 minus 1 squared. So I'll get negative 4 squared plus 2 squared, which is the square root of 16 plus 4, which is the square root of 20, which will be about 4.5. Okay. Oh. Something broken. Or is that it? Okay. I guess that's it. Remember the distance formula is, I think I messed up, but you can do it either way. x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. In the previous problem, I did it like this. I just swapped the x's and the y's, but it's okay. That's your distance formula from before. Have a good day.